Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. This is the second week. I can't never remember, but yeah, this is the second week of Watch Later Roulette. So, wait, I forgot the song. So so let's figure out what look I'm gonna do this week. So if you weren't here last week, I just go through my makeup looks playlist on YouTube and just randomly scroll and pick one and do it for you guys on camera. So that's what I'm doing right now. Wow, scroll. Oh, just gonna scroll because of my eyes. And no. Yeah, so I chose a look by Makeup by McKenna, and it's a colourful cut crease where she uses the Zulu palette, which I have. So we'll see how it goes. It doesn't, no commentary, we'll just see how it goes. I'm going to do my eyebrows and put my base off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. My base is fully on. I only did this because I've used this palette before, so I know how it works. You know, I don't like doing my face, like my full face, before doing my eyes. It's always eyebrows, eyes. Yeah. So here's the Zulu palette, and she starts off with yellow in the crease. I bought these brushes for when I did that event. If you haven't watched my story time on it, I will link it above. And they're really soft, like actually very impressed with them. So I will link them in the description box if you want to check them out, because they're not very expensive at all. I used the foundation brush to put my foundation on today. This is the wrong brush. I'm praising, but I've chosen the wrong brush. I was having a real make it work moment and I didn't need to. Yeah, that's well. I'm not sure if she, I can't remember if she just places it down. But I'm going to stamp it in as well as blend it. Juvia's Place was literally the first company that I used that made me think, oh wow, yellow can actually sharpen my skin, because you use so many and it's like I'm like dark, well not that dark for me to be struggling to get pigment. So I was thinking it's not my skin, it's the actual product itself doesn't have enough pigment. So that's when I went on a binge, I guess a binge of buying all the palettes, because I have most of them, but most that are available in the UK I have. Okay, I don't need to build it up anymore. So yeah, that's the yellow, and then she goes in the crease with the orange. I'm taking a lot because my brush is dirty, not because the pigment isn't there, by the way. And she does that. See, because I took so much, there is fallout, but I don't usually get fallout with this palette. So thankfully I have the powder there. Okay, orange in the crease, and we're going to blend these two together. Go back in a bit to the yellow. That's the only thing with pigmented colours, because when you're layering them, Like, damn, we've taken over the whole eye. You see, they blend really well together. This is not a Zulu palette review. What are you doing? But yeah, they do blend really well together. Okay, and then she adds, I used a small brush that I was using at the beginning. She adds the pink to deepen up the crease. I don't think I need it because I added so much of the orange, but following instructions. It's looking like I won't actually have to, and then I'm just going to blend them. It's looking like I won't actually have to do start over, but let me not jinx myself. Go back with the orange brush a bit. See, as I'm doing a colourful look, I will ask you guys what you think. But it's apparently like when you have a baby, like after a tragedy, after a loss, or like just like an unexpected joy. And I realised that I was my mum's rainbow baby, so I thought you should join me being rainbow babies. So I thought I'll call you guys my rainbow babies, but let me know what you think about that. Okay, then after that she adds purple. This is what I was supposed to use this brush for. It's a denser brush to put at the side. Right, look at that. Your faves could never. Okay, and then I'm going to blend it out with brush and put the pink on it and just blend out that harsh line a bit. And then don't worry, after I cut the crease I'll build up the purple again, because as soon as you start fiddling with the purple it starts to get all patchy, and no matter how good the purple actually is. So cut the crease. Okay, I think I'm alright with that cut crease. Then I'm going to build up the purple at the side. After doing the drag looks, I don't know how big or how small to do a cut crease anymore. Like I'm trying to follow my eye, but then I feel like, I don't know, I have to get used to it again. Okay, and then next we're gonna go into the shimmery green. So let me get the timing. Where are ya? We're going into the green here, in the inner corner. Whoa. I've never done a colour combo like this either. Okay, get another small brush. Then I'm going to go into this colour here. It's pretty. Don't worry about the blend, I'm going to blend it properly after. I'm just placing the colours for now. Oh, so I can go a bit further with this colour actually. Alright, and then after this colour, she goes into this matte colour here. And I'm just going to go back and forth with the colours to blend them. Okay, then after that we go back to the purple. We'll go back into the matte colour here. I use so many brushes, I don't know how I'm going to remember what to use when I do my other eye. I'm just fussing now, honestly. I want to make sure I proper like it. Okay, I'm going to do the other eye off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, here's the final look. Come a bit closer. Yeah, I really like it. Like, it came out really well. Yay! I hope you enjoyed the video, but man, these are harder than I thought they were gonna be, like, honestly. But I am enjoying the challenge. It's not every day, just do what you know. So, come back next week and see what I'm doing, because I don't even know yet. But please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Yeah, better come back, you know. Bye.